Hey, what's up? What's going on? Filecoin holder. Today video is very emergency. This is emergency video for especially for Filecoin holder. So keep watch this video because absolutely gone very important for information for Filecoin holder. If you are not holder, then absolutely skip this video. This video is not for you. So let's get started. Filecoin holder. This brand video. I am a sick, but I want to just give you this information emergency video. Please keep watch. Okay, this is just 2-minute video, but please keep watch this video. Okay guys, so before I get started this brand video, I request you to please subscribe ABS Tech channel. If you just click on the subscribe, then I give you absolutely every latest or good news of all cryptocurrencies. So this is absolutely good channel for you. I hope you subscribe it. Thank you so much for subscribing. Okay guys, so first of all, this time you can see here the last 24-hour 1-day chart. Absolutely they can go on like the straight. Absolutely you can see here, but they take absolutely high jump and absolutely they gone again down. So absolutely why Filecoin holder ask me this question to why Filecoin goes down. Filecoin guys, I this is absolutely remember to Filecoin is a very fastest cryptocurrencies, and this is absolutely give us a very high profit. Absolutely, and I hope this month absolutely they give you a good profit. But why in those days they goes down? So absolutely all Filecoin said me to what we do, hold, sell, buy, what we do. So absolutely Filecoin holder, I explain everything in this video. So first of all, you just note these changes. Absolutely these changes and the price changes and this changes, absolutely very important. So note this, and I gonna show you the latest prices changes. Then we decide to this is gone, this is selling time or buying time. So if you can see here the change is absolutely and minus 1.56%. Absolutely this is very bad. But if we can see the all cryptocurrencies as goes down and those days, and this is absolutely not a big change. If you can see here all cryptocurrencies and 10 point etc goes down, absolutely minus 10 point etc goes down. So this is absolutely very big dump. But via Filecoin is the fastest cryptocurrency. This is absolutely minus 1 point. This is not a big. If you can see here the price is absolutely changed in 185 to 0.27 US dollar, and I hope they can cross 200 US dollar just in a few days, just and this month. I hope at the end they can cross it. So guys, let's check it out. The latest 1 hour result. The latest 1 hour result are absolutely very important. So oh my goodness, absolutely I am right, and all Filecoin holders hosts ask me this question, absolutely gone right. You can see here minus 0.29% goes down. So if you can see here the graph is that sometimes they can starting absolutely going up, but again they can starting dumping. Absolutely, so this is absolutely a very big and suspense news for you. To all cryptocurrencies goes down, and every month at the start of all cryptocurrencies goes down. But I hope at the mid they can give you a good result. You can see here the price change has come down to 176 US dollar. Oh my goodness, absolutely this is absolutely very bad time for Filecoin holder. Filecoin holder, just hold it. I hope those days every cryptocurrency, not just Filecoin. So this is absolutely not terrible, absolutely terrible result. But what we can say that absolutely I hope at the end of this month, I hope they can cross 2 US dollar. They starting jumping absolutely like a rocket. So I think this is just buying time. Just buy it, and I hope at the end of this month, at the mid of this month, they can give you a good result. They're starting changing. So absolutely they go down. Just I think don't sell it. Please don't sell it. This is my opinion. Cannot order you. This is your choice. Do you sell it or buy it? But my opinion is that to don't sell it, buy it more. If you have planned to buy more, then absolutely this is good time. I hope at the mid of this month, this is not a big changes. Absolutely minus 0.29%, not a big change. Absolutely I hope they can taking absolutely jumping. So guys, wait for the end of this month and hold it, and they can make you a millionaire. Absolutely they can give you a good profit. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you need this type more informative, then please subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification. See you next time. Allah Hafiz.